Ji, Assalamualaikum student. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to explain most important 15 terms in project management. So, in the most important terms, the first, if you mention, that is the project management professional. What is the PMP? A project management professional is anybody who works in the project management profession, and someone don't necessarily need to have a title of project manager to be considered as a project management professional. The second term is PMI, Project Management Institute. If we talk about Pakistan has three chapters of PMI: Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad. The third is the PMBOK. It's the Project Management Body of Knowledge, and now it's going to the seventh edition of that Project Management Body of Knowledge. Then there is the CAPM. It's the Certified Associate in Project Management. It is an entry-level certificate designed for those with less work experience. After CAPM, the most important term is the statement of work. A statement of work is a formal document that describes specific project requirements. It clearly outlines the project activities, deliverables, and schedule. This is often used when an agency or contractor is providing work for a client to make sure that everyone is on the same page about what work needs to be done. So this is the statement of work. The sixth term is the work breakdown structure. So far we have explained the five terms. The first is PMP, PMI, PMBOK, CAPM, SOW. So now it's the turn to work breakdown structure. A work breakdown structure is a condensed project plan organized in a visual hierarchy. This means that it contains key elements of project plan such as objectives, deliverables, timelines, and key stakeholders. Project managers use work breakdown structure to visualize projects. The second term is the milestones. So milestone is a significant point, event, important moment in a project, which denoted by black diamond. After it, the baseline. What is the baseline? The baseline, the starting point of a project used to measure how well a project is doing compared to the current state of the project to judge how effective an improvement is. Then there is a triple constraint: time, cost, and scope. And somewhere this is interchanged with quality: time, cost, and quality. In UK, basically they do the time, cost, and quality, as well as scope, are too important in other areas as well. So these are the triple constraints. Then the project life cycle. Project life cycle has 5 parts. First one is initiates, planning, executing, then monitoring and controlling in between the planning and executing, and the last one is the closing the phase or closing the project. So this is the project life cycle. After this, there is a Gantt chart. Gantt chart is a type of visual project management that displays a project in the form of timeline. It's an easy way to track a project life cycle and estimates end dates for certain project activities. Gantt chart enables project managers to easily see what work needs to be done, who is doing it, and when. Tasks are represented by a horizontal bar that represents how long that specific initiative should take. Then the change control board, group of stakeholders that evaluate, establish, approve, or reject the plans in the project. Then there is a RACI. RACI is the abbreviation of responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. RACI is a tool which we can find how much resources, which resources, allocation of resources to different people in your project. After that is SMART goals. SMART is an acronym of specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. The last term is the 15th is scope creep. What is the scope? Scope is a creep is a change, like the toddler. So it's a term that has come to mean any change in the project that there was not in the original plan. PM job is to find out how these changes, to figure out how this changes. So these are the 15 important terms, and hope you will like it and enjoy. thank you for watching and